Hi, we have to find the water levels. And what is the importance of the water? Please comment inside. And for we can see that the salt water, school water, home water, and tap water. Why they are kept here? Do you know anyone? No. And why they are kept? Because these tap water and we have to see that softness and hardness of a water and how much salt is dissolved and more than salt dissolved water if we will drink our heart may damage and we may causes death and we have to find which water is pure, which water is less dissolved salt and which is perfect for drinking, so we have, and everyone can say in which water there is more salt. We can say the salt water has more salt. No, it's wrong answer. We have to check that school water, home water, and tap water, etc. waters. We have to check that how much water is salt is there in this water, and you can check for you can check in your home also how to do this experiment, keeping my experiment. So and we can use any water and any soap for this experiment. So let's start the experiment. First we had to take a soap and keep we have to keep the soap in the water and we have to be served sometime and we need to mix it well, and the soap was changing the color, and for some time I'll explain why what happens next. So we can see what is happening in this and how much salt is dissolved in water, and we can see that. The soap is not dissolving well. Oh my gosh, why this color is changing like this? Oh my god, after money stopped. So we can see I mixed soap in every glasses. So for this tap water, for the tap water, no bacteria are formed because these tap water are purified. So because these layers, any flashed layers are not formed, and we can see because there is no impurities and no dirty layer is formed. So this is the purified water. So we can drink the tap water how we can, but be safe because we have to impure the water before drinking. This experiment will be shown in before next video. This is home water. Now we can see how much dust. No dust is formed, but these bubbles are formed. So this is somewhat dangerous, but we can drink because no bacteria and all purified water is in. And next we are going for school water. This is a school water, and we can see no bacteria are there in this school water. I can mix how much and how much. No bacteria are formed in this. So we can see how much purified water in our school is there. So we can tell this home water and school water and tap water are perfect for drinking. There is no dissolved salt, so we can drink happily these waters. And you can to check in your home is there any salt and not salt, because you can check that colors of this. And I'll tell why these colors are changed and in next video. Now our last bit, the salt water. Why do you think the salt water has formed a layer? Can you tell why the salt water is formed a layer? Because more dissolved of a salt in this water, and we can see that dirty layer is formed in this water, and this layer is when we will mix it will separate in only 2 minutes. See, I'm mixing it for 1 second, and we can wait for 2 minutes while changing it, and in 1 minute the dust particles will be formed in gradual places. So we can see how much dust particles are there in this. So we have to not drink this salt water because this is too dangerous and it may lead to dehydration. So we can see how much dust particles are there in this. So this is the soap water. When I was mixed, see how much layer is going upside, you can see clearly. You can see how the layer and salt water are separated. This is the soap water I mixed, and this is the salt water. This is the. So we can say these are insoluble materials, and when this two will mix, and in 1 second they will be divided in both layers. So this layer is soap water and this layer is salt water. So what did you understand in this water substance? Now we can understand what there is more purified and more tasty and healthiest water is in the tap water, home water and school water. The salt water has more bacteria, and we can see how it is, and you can tell what water you are drinking now. Okay, bye, have a nice day.